Hi friends and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at the top 10 protein-rich foods. So, let's get started. What are proteins? Proteins are a diverse group of molecules. They provide structure and support to your cells and are necessary for the immune function, for movement and for hormone synthesis. They are all made up of tiny building blocks called amino acids, which are considered essential, which means your body needs them but cannot produce them on its own. So, you must get them from your diet. Some people require higher protein intake than others. However, it is critical that everyone consumes adequate amounts of proteins on a regular basis by eating protein-rich foods. The current recommended dietary allowance for proteins is 0.8 grams per kg of body weight. Number 1 on our list are eggs. Whole eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods. Apart from being a good source of protein, they also contain vitamin, minerals, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Whole eggs are high in selenium as well as vitamin B12. They are also high in choline, which is essential during pregnancy and breastfeeding because it promotes growth and development. Egg whites are almost pure proteins. The yolk contains variety of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Protein content of one large egg is about 6 grams. Number 2. Chicken breast. If you want to up your protein intake, chicken breast is a great choice. Chicken contains variety of vitamin B as well as minerals, zinc, and selenium. In addition to protein, chicken breast is also extremely versatile and easy to prepare. It can be used in a variety of dishes like salads, stir fries, and soups to make them more filling. Protein content of half a chicken breast is about 27 grams. Number 3. Almonds. Almonds are high in plant protein, high in fiber, vitamin E, manganese, and magnesium. Almonds can benefit your health in a variety of ways, including lowering your risk factors for heart disease, such as LDL, that is bad cholesterol, high blood pressure, etc. Almonds add a filling protein boost to your plant-based meals like grains and salads. Almonds have about 21 grams of proteins per 100 grams. Number 4 on our list is cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is low-fat, low-calorie, high-protein cheese. Calcium, phosphorus, selenium, vitamin B12, B2 are the other nutrients found in it. Research indicates that cottage cheese is just as filling as eggs, making it an excellent choice for a filling meal. Cottage cheese has about 23 grams of protein per cup. Number 5. Lean beef. Lean beef is high in protein. It also has a high concentration of iron, zinc, selenium, vitamin B12 and B6. Red meat can be a part of a healthy diet, but its consumption should be limited. A 100 gram serving of lean beef contains about 26 grams of protein. Number 6. Lentils. Lentils are one of the most abundant sources of plant protein, making them an excellent choice for a vegetarian or vegan diet. They also contain a lot of fiber, folate, magnesium, potassium, iron, copper, manganese. People who eat lentils and other legumes on a regular basis have a lower risk of developing health conditions such as heart disease and a fatty liver. Cooked lentils contains about 9 grams of protein per 100 grams. Number 7 on our list is milk. Dairy milk contains a trace of almost every nutrient your body requires. It contains a lot of vitamin, minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, riboflavin, and is a good source of high quality protein. 1 cup of dairy milk contains 8 grams of protein. Number 8. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt, also known as strained yogurt, is a protein-rich type of yogurt. It has a creamy texture and is high in nutrients like calcium, B12, selenium, and zinc. One can try it in smoothies, soups, salad dressings, or simply enjoy it with fruits or crushed nuts. 170 gram container contains about 17 grams of protein. Number 9. Fish. Fish is an excellent source of protein and also contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, including iron, selenium, and vitamin B12. People who eat a lot of fish have a lower risk of health problems like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Fish like salmon are high in omega-3 fats, which have a powerful benefit for your overall health. Half a salmon fillet, or 198 grams, contains about 40 grams of protein. Number 10 on our list is quinoa. Quinoa is frequently misidentified as a grain, but it is actually a seed. Quinoa is very popular in the wellness world. It is higher in protein than many grains and high in fiber, folate, copper, iron, and zinc. Quinoa is referred to as a complete protein because it contains all 9 essential amino acids, which your body cannot produce on its own. 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains about 8 grams of protein. So, with this, we come to the end of our video. Thanks for watching.